In this video, I will show you how to set up Google Authenticator on your Android phone. This app adds an extra layer of security to your accounts by generating a unique code that you'll need every time you log in. Let's get started. First, open the Play Store on your Android device and search for Google Authenticator. Once you see it, tap Install and wait for the app to download. When it's finished, tap Open to launch it. On the home screen, you'll see an option to Get Started. Tap on it and then look for the plus sign at the bottom right corner. Now you'll need to link your account. You can either scan a QR code or enter a setup key. If you have a QR code, choose Scan a QR code and allow the app to use your camera. Point your phone at the code displayed on your computer or another device, and it will instantly connect your account. If you were given a setup key instead, just choose Enter a Setup Key, type in your account name and the key, then tap Add. Once you've linked your account, the app will generate a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. To finish the setup, go back to the website or app where you're enabling two-factor authentication, enter the code from the Google Authenticator app, and confirm it. When it's accepted, your account is now protected. From now on, whenever you sign in, just open Google Authenticator and use the code shown for your account. This makes it much harder for anyone to access your information, even if they know your password. And that's it. That's how you set up Google Authenticator on your Android phone to keep your accounts safe.